Using Addi FlexiFlips to make a newborn baby-sized hat. I wanted to give these Addi FlexiFlips a spin, so I grabbed a set along with some leftover DK weight yarn and started casting on for this newborn baby-sized hat. The trick with these is you'll want to divide your stitches evenly between 2 needles. The third one is your working needle, or the one you'll be knitting with. When it's time to start knitting, push the yarn on the needle in waiting down towards the flexible center of that needle. Then push the stitches you're about to knit toward the tip of the other needle. It might take a few rounds to really get the hang of this, but once you do, the knitting zooms by. Now I'm about to start those tricky final decreases. Watch how easy it is. A finished hat knit entirely on Addi FlexiFlips.